taking responsibility for a faulty product. Dialogue B. Carol calls Henry to tell him that her company has received his watch.
Good morning, this is Carol from Flotch. Is this Henry Thompson on the line?
Speaking. Have you received the watch I sent?
Yes, we have. Our repair team has taken a look at it and found it does indeed have a faulty battery.
I knew it. So what now? Will you repair it or give me a new one?
It's up to you. We can either replace the battery with a new one and send it back, or send you an entirely new watch. If you decide to replace the watch, you can select a different color.
I like the color it is already. You can just replace the battery. Are you certain that the new one will last 20 hours as promised? I don't want to return it again.
Yes, this one should. We have already tested it and found no glitches.
Very well. Thank you for replacing it. When should I expect the watch by?
Please allow up to 3 business days for delivery. Again, we are very sorry for any trouble this has caused you. We at Flotch take customer satisfaction very seriously.
It's no problem. I'm happy that you are committed to solving my problem and sending it back in time.
Good luck with your race.